Hello, everyone. So we're gonna learn about the day of the week for today. Okay, hope you guys are ready. And I'm gonna share my screen. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. All right, like this. All right, so can you guys can see the screen? And can you guys hear my voice clearly? And if you prepared our previous class note, please make sure, please write down at the chat with the yes, please. All right, thank you so much. All right. So for the day of the week, how we can say? For the day of the week, we can say with 요일, 요일. Okay, for the Monday, how you can say? 월요일, 월요일. Tuesday, 화요일, 화요일. Wednesday, 수요일, 수요일. Thursday, 목요일, 목요일. Friday, 금요일, 금요일. Saturday, 토요일, 토요일. Sunday, 일요일, 일요일. All right. So I'm just gonna please remember. Of course, you guys can memorize all of it, but make sure to like memorize everything because this is gonna be really useful when you're writing down with the date or with the date and the day of the week at the same time in the writing. Okay. So if I say 목요일, when is it? 목요일. Which day is it? 목요일. Yeah, correct. All right. So I think there's two like elementary school. So let's go with the next one. Okay. All right. So this one, look at this. So like that. So I just make the bracket in this side, right? So actually we can speak with the only for the day of the week with 월요일 with the full sentence. But when you're writing down, we can just using some first letter in the bracket in here when you with the this one. All right. So how you can say 월, 화, 수, 목, 금, 토, 일. 월, 화, 수, 목, 금, 토, 일. Okay. So when you're writing down, we can just usually we can just using with a simplify word with the first letters. Okay. Until here. Any questions so far? If you don't have any things, please write down in the chat with yes. Oh no, good, please. All right. Let's go to the next one. All right, this one is gonna be the really important thing. Night and day. Okay, let's say when you go to the South Korea and you need to book some accommodation for the travel, isn't it? So then if you want to book some accommodations, then how you can say, if they asking to you like how many days you're gonna stay, then you have to say with the English, of course with the in the Korean, right? So then how you can say, for the counting word for the night, you can say blah blah 박, blah blah 박. Okay. How about the day? We learned it before. Blah blah 일. Blah blah 일. Okay, so reading is gonna be, you can use the Sino version, which is based on the Chinese pronunciations. Our previous class was like this. Even like when we talk about, when we counting the date, we also use it the Sino version, right? So then how you can say Sino version of Sino version of reading and 박, and Sino version of the reading and 일. Okay. But the writing is gonna be super duper easy. Just put some number. Okay. Put some number and 박, and put some number and 일. All right. So let's go to the next one. So this is gonna be the example. But don't worry, guys. I'm gonna do it the next time at the final sentence. Okay. So like this. Okay. So other word for the date. We already learned it before, but I'm gonna doing again. I'm gonna do it again. Okay. So for the counting word for the month, how you can say native Korean speak reading plus 달. They were two different counting words. Okay. So 달. And for the Sino version, you can adding with 개월. 달. Native Korean plus 달. Native Korean was what? 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, right? How about the Sino version? You can say, you can plus with 개월, 개월. All right. So if you want to say with the 4 months, how you can say? For the 달, you have to using the native Korean, right? But with the native Korean, with the changing form, everybody. I'm gonna write down within here. Okay. Changing form. You know what is the changing form, right? If you don't know what is the changing form, please watching our previous class with the basic chapter 2 or 3. I think 3. Yeah. 3 has a changing form, which is net is gonna be the 네. 하나 is gonna be the 한. You already learned about this one, right? So I'm not gonna explain it. So 4 months, then how you can say? It's actually basically, if you want to speak it, it's gonna be 넷 달, but net is the 4, but it's hard to pronounce it with when it's combined with the 달. Then how you can say? 네 달, 네 달. All right. Then how we can writing down? Easy. Just put some number and counting words, just like this. Okay. Next one. 12 months. If we use the 개월 for the counting words, how we can say? 개월 was which one? Sino version. How we can say 12 months then? 12 is 12. 12. So it's going to be what? 12개월. 12개월. All right. Then how about the writing? Just put some number in it and that's all. 12개월. 12개월. All right. Not that difficult, isn't it? All right. How about the week? Okay. We can using with the Sino version counting, Sino counting version and 주. All right. Then now we can say 3 weeks. Sino version. So it's going to be, what is the 3? 3. So 3주. 3주 is going to be the reading, but how about the writing? It's just in using the number. So 3주. 3주. All right. Next one, 24 weeks. 24 weeks, how you can say? 24. 24 is what? 24. 24. And weekdays counting word is 주. So 24주. 24주. Writing is simple, number plus counting words. All right. So this one is the another things. Weekend, how you can say? 주말. 주말. Weekend is 주말. How about the weekday? You can say 평일 or 주간. 주간 is usually when we use this word when we are writing, okay? But when we usually speak out, we're using 평일. 평일. So when you need to know the both of it because both of the word is going to be really useful with between the speaking and the writing as well. Okay, so weekday you can speak with 평일, 평일, writing, but you also can speak with the this one as well. But we more frequently we using this one first. Okay, so 평일 or 주간, 평일 and 주간. All right. How about the public holiday? Look at that. Public holiday. Okay, let's say the holiday first. Holiday is the without the bracket. 휴일. 휴일. All right. Holiday is 휴일. But public holiday, we can say 공휴일. 공휴일. Right? Public is like actually public's mean Korean word is the 공공. 공공 or 공공의 공공시설의 의, something like this. But we just simplify with the one word, one letter, which is 공. So then how you can say with the public holiday? 공휴일. 공휴일. Okay? So until here, any questions so far? If you guys can understand enough, please write down in the chat with yes, please. Okay? Actually, basically, you just need to memorize everything. All right? Okay, yes, yes, yes. All right, understand. All right, let's go to next one. All right, vacation. Okay, 주중. What about 주중? Okay, 주중 is, okay, I'm gonna write down in here for you. 주중 is in weekday, guys. In weekday. In a week, yeah, because like 주중, 주중. Okay, so let's say, let's meet in a week. Then you can say 주중에 만나자. 주중, like inside of the week. Okay, you can speak out with the 주중. All right. Okay, so until here. You can understand what that means, John? 주중 is the inside of the week. Okay? All right, great, great, great. All right, let's go to the practice then, okay? Hope you guys are already prepared your previous class note, okay? Let's say, well, okay, let's try with this one. I like the Friday. Tomorrow is Friday. How you can say Friday? How you can say Friday in Korean? Thanks God it's Friday tomorrow. So happy. How you can say Friday in Korean? You can write down in the chat. Correct, 금요일. But how you can writing down with the English? Can you write down with the English, please, as well? 금요일. No, like this, with the Korean version. 금요일. This is gonna be the how you can say. All right. All right. How about all right. I'm pregnant. No, of course I'm not pregnant. Okay, my wife is pregnant. Of course I don't have a Wi-Fi, but okay, my wife is pregnant. Okay, how many months? Like how old is your baby? Then you can say 9 months. 9 months. How you can say 9 months with the Korean? We'll give some hints. You can use 달 or and 개월. Oh, you can say everyone. 달 or 개월. But for the 달, you have to using some. All right, Rosanawati. All right, Ashanti. Yeah, I'm gonna call you with Ashanti. Okay, Ashanti. It was a nice try, but can you write down with the 9 also with the Korean English version? How you can say? 개월 have to be using with what? Sino version. Okay. How you can say? Like this. I'm gonna try like this. 달 have to using with native Korean. Changing form. But 개월 have to using with this Sino version. And now you can say, okay. No. I mean, you don't need to write it down with the English, okay? You don't need to write down with the Korean, okay? But like Sino version with the reading version, like this. So 9개월 is gonna be like 9개월. Okay, because this is the Sino version. 개월 have to be using the Sino, and 9 is 9. So this is gonna be 9개월. All right. How about the 달, everybody? 달. If you want to use the 달, how you can writing down? What is the 9 with the native Korean? 9 with the native Korean. How you can say? I hope you guys already learned. What is the 9 for the native Korean? Perfect, John. There we go. hope that. Perfect. hope that. That is how you can speak with the, how you can reading with the native Korean. Okay. Very impressive. Very impressive. Okay. All right. Next one. Okay, I'm gonna get some new computer after the 4 weeks later. 4 weeks later, how you can say? We already learned about the later before. Later was what? Right. 4 is have to be using with the, okay, so I will give some hints. Week, you need to using with the Sino version and 주. Okay, then how you can say 4 weeks later. Sino version of 4 and counting word for the week and later. How you can say? Take your time. Okay, so like this. This is exactly the same form, like this. 사, but nice try, John. 사, 주, 후. All right, this is going to be the format. 사, 주, 후. This is how you can pronounce it. Reading. Okay. For the writing, it's going to be super easy. Like this. Okay. Another example, 26 weeks. Wait, how many weeks left until my birthday? Wait, I'm going to check. My birthday is April, so I need to go a lot. 1, 2, wait, 1, no, now it's the here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 26, 27, 28, 29. There we go. 30 weeks. How many weeks? How many weeks you left for my birthday? 30 weeks later. How you can say? Yeah, so how you can say? 30 weeks later. How you can say? Please remember my birthday, everyone. Why my birthday is in the Thursday though? It should be in the like Friday or Saturday, the weekend. It's gonna be the perfect to celebrate. This during the weekday, how it's gonna be. Geez. So how you can say with the 30 weeks later, everyone? 40, try again, John. It was almost close. So format is gonna be like this, calculating the Sino 3 and 10 positions, like this, right? What is the 3 with the Sino version? 30주 후에. Okay, can you try again, Hidaya? Almost got it. Almost got it. Don't be rushed. Take your time. How you can write it down? Okay, not a 후에 is who. How you can say? 30 is correct. 30주 후. Perfect, John. I like that. 30 주, 후. All right. This is how you can write reading. And how you can writing down? Easy. Just using some number. That's all. Okay, impressive. All right, let's go to the another one. Okay, let's try with this one. Okay. How many days you gonna go? How many days you gonna stay in here? Well, I want to go to the Dubai. I never been there because I heard that like they have a lot of like nice hotel in over there. So if I go to the Dubai, then I want to stay with over there with the 14 night, 14 days, 15 days. How you can say 14 nights, 15 days. This one you need to using Sino version for the counting. Okay, can you write down with the English version? Okay, Devon, please, can you remove that one, please? Thank you so much. All right. So how you can writing down with 14 nights and 15 days? What was the night? Let's check first. There we go. 박. Counting word was the 박 for the night and 일 for the day. Okay, then how we can use it? 14 nights, 15 days. How you can try? 14 is what? 14. And what is it? 박. And 15 is what? 15. And then what's the days? Counting word for the days. 일. So this one. 14. 박. 15. 일. 14. 박. Don't forget the counting word for the nights, okay? And the days as well, okay? So this is gonna be the answer. 14박 15일. 14박 15일. All right, writing is gonna be like this. 14박 15일. All right, just like this. Okay, how about another one? Let's try long journey. 77, because I like lucky 77 nights and 78 days. Now you can say 77 nights, 78 days. How you can try? What about 밤? 밤 is like a night, but this is the counting word for the spend the nights, for the accommodations or in the for the hotels. Okay. 77박 78일. Oh my God, Hidaya, very nice. 77박 78일. All right. 밤 is the like definition of the night. But we are learning for the night and days for how to calculate for our accommodations, right? So at these situations, we're just using some 박 for the counting words, okay? So how we can say 77박 78일. All right, very nice. And now you can writing down 77박 78일. Just like this. Okay. Then last questions, guys. Last questions. You guys are doing so great right now. We learned about the date yesterday, right? Today's date. 2021. Oh my God. 2021. September 23rd. And today's what? Thursday. How you can say? We learned about this one previously. Oops, I cannot show you everything, but just for y'all. So like this. So how you can say with this one, guys? I'll give you the hint. This is a hint. It's a huge hint, everybody. Huge hint. So format is gonna be year, and then counting word for the year, and number for the month, and then counting word for the month, day, this one, and we learn about the Thursday today. What is gonna be? I can say. Take your time. It's gonna be a long journey. (23구) 2021. Okay. Let's try all together. Okay. So the sequence is going to be exactly same like this. Okay. So we need to start with the 2021, right? How we can say 2021? What is the two? What is the two? E. And which position is it? 1000. 1000. All right. And then what is the next number? There's no 100 position. So E. 2. And which position? 10. And the next number is 1. And what was the counting word for the year? 년. 2021년. And then what's the 9 with the single version? 9. And what was the counting word for the month? 월. And 23, 23. And then what was the date? Counting word for the date? 1. And last one, Thursday, was what? 목요일. All right, it's a lot. Well, let's go to step by step. 2021년 9월 23일 and 목요. Okay, this is how you can read it. It's long, huh? But when we're writing with the English number, super easy. It is when we using with the writing version. 2021년 9월 23일 목요일. That's all. Just like this. This is how you can writing down. But for the reading, you have to using with this one. That's why I always upload the reading version first, because it's hard to reading, hard to writing, but it's gonna be really useful how you can speak out. Okay, so until here, everybody, how was it, guys? It's kind of difficult, isn't it? But there's the all just the combined things, after when we learn everything with the materials. Okay, so you just need to keep practicing and practicing. Okay, if you still cannot understand about how to calculate with the senior version or the native Korean, please re-watching our previous class video with the counting and numbers and date, and today's class with the days of the weeks. Okay, hope you guys can understand the most of the things. That was until here was the everything, or most of the thing. You just need to memorize it and keep practicing it. Okay, so hope you guys like my class for today. And if you guys have any questions, please asking at the general help or in your continuous chat with the general chat Oceanians or something. Okay, then thank you for coming and see you at our next Korean class. Bye bye, guys.